What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy E10 Million. We're back again with another banger video, you know what I'm saying? You clicked on the video for one reason and one reason only, unless you know the game, you know what I'm saying? Bitch, I don't know the game. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Y'all want to know how to make a thumbnail off of this cellular device right here, you know what I'm saying? I got y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to get y'all quickly, you know what I'm saying? This going to be an easy, quick video, you know what I'm saying? Run through tutorial, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to get y'all right here. The best thumbnails on this YouTube, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna be like all the top YouTubers, like DDG, Funny Mike. Just watch the video all the way through, and if y'all new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, y'all. Give me the 3K, you know what I'm saying? We're about to just grind it out, because I took me a little break if y'all didn't know, but I'm about to grind out. Like, this grind season, you know what I'm saying? Grind season 24/7 now. Yeah, spring break too. So yeah, let's get to the video, no cap. Here's the first thing you need to do, you know what I'm saying? We just got a screen recording, okay? So here's the first thing you need to do, okay? Go to PicsArt, okay? Once you're in PicsArt, press the plus at the bottom, and then go to, scroll down, and then go to color backgrounds. Press next. After you got the transparent one, press next. Press save, save photo, done, and go to Fonto. Once you're in Fonto, press the little camera at the bottom, press photo albums, press the photos, and press the transparent photo, and then press done. After that, it should look like this right now. Actually, I can see on the screen. Just press add text, and then just add your text. Right now, I'm about to just put how to, hold on, put all uppercase, how to make thumbnails. Hold on, press this one. Press duplicate when you're doing like the bottom one, you know what I'm saying? So how to make thumbnails in under 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? We about to do this in under 5 minutes. Well, we about to attempt. You know what I'm saying? This kind of clickbait, you know what I'm saying? After that, you have to line it up. Wait, no. Oh, shoot. I'm tripping, okay. Here's what you need to do. Press style, okay? Press style. Press color pattern. Press vertical after you pick, like, up top, you know what I'm saying? Like, pick right here. You see right here when I'm typing right there. Press vertical. Press white, and then just press like white again, like, you know what I'm saying, white, okay? Press apply. Press, where is it? Style at the top. Press the third one. Press the third one. Yeah. Press the third one, like right here. You see it? Press the third one. Press done. Press that duplicate right here. Put it like right on top of it, and then press the text thing, and put your other text like in under 5 minutes. Then go line it up. Press style again. Press color pattern. Put the second one. It's like a different color. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just put blue. Hold on, let me put it like this. You know what I'm saying? This is what I'm doing. Picking like another color, you know what I'm saying? That's all you gotta do. After that, you're done. Let me fix it real quick. Oh shoot. Press save image as PNG. After that, go to PicsArt. Press plus. Find a picture of you. Let me use this one, you know what I'm saying? After that, okay, just press text, like, scroll right here. Press text. Just put random emojis, okay? Just put random emojis, just like to put like on the screen, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just put, hold on, let's see what I should put. This one right here. This one I'm put the mind blown. Where is it? Oh, there you go. Mind blown, you know. So I'm just gonna put one right here. Hold on, yeah, one right there. Put another one right here. Oh crap, that's the wrong one. Put this one right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna put them two. Actually, I might put another one, but I don't know. No, wait. It's straight, look straight, look straight. You know what I'm saying? Readjust my emojis. Here's the next thing you need to do, alright? Press apply, press effects, which is like scrolling at the bottom, blur, put racial blur, because that looks fire right there. You see that? It looks, that, you know what I'm saying? That looks fire right there, you know what I'm saying? Yes sir. Put it to 20, like, wait, no, wait, it's 10 or 20, one of them. Put it to 10, yeah, put it to 10. You know what I'm saying? Put it to 10, press apply. Wait, hold on, yeah, press apply. Press, hold on, where is it? Press add photos, you know what I'm saying? You gotta add your little thing right here that you had made on PixArt. Put this like at the bottom right here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That look fire right there. You know what I'm saying? You can keep it right there, or you can go extreme with it. You know what I'm saying? This is what else you can do. Look, press DDG, put DDG in there. Find one of them things like these recorder things, but I be using this one. Hold on, let me find it. Here's the one I be using right here. Just zoom it out a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Just put it in there. Zoom it in. Look at that, look at it. Perfect, 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 bro. Look. Perfect, you know what I'm saying? Perfect thumbnail, you know what I'm saying? This is all you gotta do. Press apply, next, save, download photo, and look. Excellent thumbnail. Excellent thumbnail, so you know what I'm saying? If y'all enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Leave a like on the video, you know what I'm saying? This is like 6 minutes, but still, you know what I'm saying? Clickbait bangers, you know what I'm saying? Hit that subscribe button, leave a like, all that, you know what I'm saying? We gone.